Okay, so will you believe me if I told you this entire YouTube studio background is fake? Yup, it is 100% AI. And my real background is just a boring blank wall. But today I'm going to show you how you can turn your boring background into a professional YouTube setup for free. And it takes just 4 steps. Let's go. Step 1, what you have to do is just to record your video. Start simple. Grab your camera or your phone and record your video. You shoot this in the highest possible resolution. I would suggest 4K. Now find your good lighting. You can use a $30 softbox that I'm using, or you can sit in front of a window. That also works. You also have to keep your background plain, no pile of dirty laundry or whatever. Use a tripod also to avoid shaky footages and pain editing later, or you not get the perfect shot. Okay, now another step that you also have to consider is you have to do it in a medium shot. You have to shoot your medium shot. That means that your waist up, little space above your head. Don't move around like you are filming a TikTok dance challenge. Okay, keep it chill. Trust me, your editing will look way cleaner. Now the second section is to do the basic cleanup. Before the AI magic, do your normal edits. Maybe add some color grading if that's your vibe, because once the background is in, fixing mistakes later is a nightmare. Then freeze your best frame and take a screenshot. That's a secret sauce. Quick tip, if you are finding this helpful, hit that red subscribe button. I drop content creation hacks like this every single week. Oh god. Section number 3, make the fake background. Now for the fun part, open the Adobe Firefly or any AI tool. Upload your screenshot that you took from your video. In this particular case in CapCut, I just took a snapshot. Then brush around yourself, leave a little edge space. Type in your dream studio. It can be like modern YouTube setup with neon light. It can also be like minimal podcast decks, or even luxury billionaire loft. Click generate, boom. There are 3 options for you to choose from. If you don't like them, hit more. When you find your favorite, download it and you are done. Section number 4, it is where the magic happens. This is where you're able to add the AI generated background with your video itself. Now what you have to do is that you have to blend it together. Back in your editing app, drop the new background on the timeline, stretch it, put your main video on top, max it, feather the edges around about 5, depends on the editing software, and suddenly your boring wall is gone. And that's it. 4 steps and you have gotten yourself a YouTube worthy background. Now tell me in the comment, what kind of background will you create? A gamer cave, a podcast studio, or a NASA spaceship? I want to see your wildest ideas in the comment. And if you like content like this, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Also share this content with your fellow creator. As always, keep upgrading.